Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well by God's grace. So here I have caffeine. So I will just take a some cafe inside my bowl. So that bowl there I have some water, some cold water. If you want, you can use warm water. So now that I add my cafe inside the water, I'm going to be mixing it, or the water and the cafe combine together very well. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your love and support. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. So if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you all. Thank you so much. So now the cafe and the water have combined together. So I'm just going to cover this now, allow it to sit for some time. If you want to use this the next day, it's fine. Just cover it and allow it to sit overnight. If you want to use it that same day, cover it and allow it to sit for a couple of hours so that the ingredients, the benefit inside the cafe can release itself inside the water. So after some few hours later, here I have my cafe is looking like now. So I'm just going to strain this out, and so that I can get out the residue, because I don't want to just be washing my hair, be wasting so much work. So I will be taking the water. So now I will just strain it out just the way I am doing right now. So just keep watching. So cafe can help to promote hair growth straight from the root. So it's really good when it comes to our hair growth. Is also good to tighten hormonal cord DHT, so which cause hair loss. Cafe is known to help increase blood circulation in the scalp, which promotes healthy hair follicles. So using cafe on your hair is really good to grow your hair and also stop hair loss. So if you suffer from hair loss, you should try to use this shampoo once a week. So now I have my grace, then I add sugar to it as well. So now I'm going to add my shampoo. So the sugar in this product is going to help to gently exfoliate the scalp while you are shampooing your hair. It also helps to remove dead skin cell or buildup of dirty, which also enable you to really cleanse your scalp and prevent against oily roots and promote healthier hair. So sugar in this is going to help to exfoliate your scalp and get rid of all the product buildup. So now I'm also going to be adding Cantu shampoo to this as well. So you can use any shampoo of your choice, but make sure you use the cafe and the sugar with this. Okay, now I have everything in one place. I'm just going to mix them together. So I will just use it on my hair like this. This shampoo is going to cleanse your scalp and is going to get rid of all the product buildup, all the irritation in your scalp, all the oily scalp, and everything that is not pure in your scalp is going to get rid of them and also make way for a healthy scalp, and that can also contribute to a very fast hair growth. So now I have this shampoo. I'm going to transfer it inside this empty bottle right here. so we can go and start to use this. You can use this once a week, or if you shampoo your hair like 2 times a week, you can also use it. I use it once a week because I shampoo my hair once a week. So you can make a very large quantity of this shampoo and keep it. The more and the longer it stays, the more effective it's going to be, because the shampoo, the caffeine and the sugar, they will continue to melt inside the shampoo that you added. So now I'm just going to cover this now, then I will just proceed to use it on my hair. So guys, I did not add any oils to this shampoo because my hair is already oiling, so I don't just want to add any oil at all. So you don't really need to add oil to it because you want to use it to cleanse your hair. So now my hair is like this. I prepare my hair with that um olive oil, blue magic hair grease, and the coconut oil, which I use the egg and the blue magic. So the video is already on my channel. So this is the next day of that. So I'm just going to use this shampoo to shampoo my hair. Just in case you have not seen that video that I use with egg, I'm going to leave it at the description box below, so you can go and check it out. So here is my shampoo. Then I will just continue to use this now to shampoo my hair, just like so. Okay, the shampoo is not going to dry your hair at all. It's going to just help you to get rid of all the oil, all the build-up, all the dead cell, exfoliate your scalp so you can give way to a healthy hair growth. So just keep washing, and so as I continue to wash my hair. So you can do this in the bathroom. It's going to be just fine. Like, wet your hair before you apply this. So I don't want to wet my hair before I apply it because my baby can cry anytime. Then I can just go like this and carry her. When my hair is wet, it's going to be a lot of work for me. So I'm just going to continue to apply this product to my hair, just like so, and then I'll use it to scrub my scalp and also wash the length of my hair. Out the first wash, this is how my hair is looking like now. Wow, my hair is really cleansed. The first wash, my hair is so clean. So I'm just going to wash it again the second time. So the second time, this period I'll be using like egg grease on my hair every day. My hair growth challenge ended and I have take the measurement. I don't know when I'm going to post that video, guys, so I'll post that video very soon. So now I'm just going to continue to scrub my scalp, then get rid of all the excess hair build up or oil on my scalp. Just scrub like so, and this can really get rid of everything, all the unwanted dirty, all the dead cell, everything that is your scalp is going to get rid of everything. Make this shampoo for yourself. Use it once in a week and you are going to so much love it, guys. Your hair is going to be growing like never before. Okay, because there's no more hindering, there's nothing that is going to be hindering your hair from growing, because you are get rid of all the things that might cause blockage, that might cause your hair not to grow. You have already removed them by this shampoo. Okay, so now I just restart the second wash. This is how my hair is looking like now. My hair is super clean, super clean, and it did not dry out my hair at all, as you can see. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all. Share this video with your friends and family, your loved one. It might help someone out there. Okay, so, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye bye. Compliments of the season. Ciao ciao. Take care of yourself. Bye.